One of the things that I love about IR is it has one of the most incredible opportunities for growth that anyone has.
I think I love the flexibility of working at IR. It really provides a space for us to really not only work in a hybrid way, but work in a way that suits us best.
Great culture brings a good environment. Great environment brings a great people, which eventually forms a some sort of a virtual cycle. And the thing that I love about IR is that we are already within this cycle.
We're transforming the company from a 30-year-old successful on-premise business serving large enterprise to a hybrid company in which we're serving customers who have started to move some of their infrastructure to SaaS-based solutions. I use this metaphor of we're in this position right now of we've swum halfway across the river and people are making a decision of, oh, is it just as easy to swim back to where we came from or to keep going? And you can either look at that as a challenge or you look at it as an opportunity. We're going on the journey with our customers to ensure that their needs today are met and their future needs are met.
I crush it by working with the different stakeholders that I work with to make sure that we communicate what Collaborate's values and benefits are to our customers, and make sure that everyone that I work with has good alignment on what our goals and our vision is.
So you can contribute with your own strengths and in your own ways, with your own thinking. And that's one of the things that is quite cool about being able to crush it, because you do it in your own way, within your own spirit and your own capability. And it's just so exciting.
I have a laugh by working with the team in a very fun manner, enjoying all of the activities that we do.
I have a laugh, usually with my workmates. We'll go out to lunch together when we're in, or during our little catch-up sessions on calls. It's a really good time to decompress and, yeah, talk to people as people, I guess.
I be human by trying to keep in touch with my local community. I think that's really important, particularly after the last couple of years where we've all been isolated or separated from family and friends.
You keep high standards, you work hard, but don't forget employees' well-being and your own well-being. You need to have a good work-life balance.
There's a phrase that I like, be the right person at the right time, at the right place. It doesn't mean that I'm taking the leadership of the team or something like that, but it's more like play the role that, someone who can oil the team to run well.
What we've done in the last little while is we've redefined the company's purpose as creating great. And we're in the middle of a very significant transformation of our business. And we've got a significant program of work underway to encourage people from all parts of our business to be part of that transformation.
Building new products, I think it's one of the biggest enjoyments working here at IR. We're constantly transforming the way our products are implemented.
And whether that's a great experience, a great solution, a great contact with us, that's how I think we create great when it matters most.
I work together with my team and with the different stakeholders I work with to make sure that we're delivering great quality work and meet the expectations that we set ourselves.
When you come together as a team, let it be globally, regional, or just with one other colleagues, you reach that together, you come together and you create something you didn't expect.
Well, our employees are a critical part of the journey. In fact, they define the transformation, and this transformation program involves people individually and collectively in workforces, task forces, projects to all ideate, come up with better ideas, better ways of doing things, and to really drive the change.